Let's look at the top 3 rules of financial literacy. Number 3, create a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most important steps of financial literacy. A budget is an outline of all income and expenses for a set period of time, usually a month. This document helps individuals understand where their money is going and where they can save. Without a budget, it is very easy to overspend and get into debt. By tracking spending and setting limits, individuals can make sure that their finances are in order. In addition, a budget can help individuals plan for future expenses, such as a new car or a down payment on a house. By taking the time to create a budget, individuals can take control of their finances and set themselves up for success. Number 2, have financial goals. Any journey begins with a single step, and the journey to financial literacy is no different. One of the most important steps on this journey is to set financial goals. Without goals, it can be difficult to stay motivated and on track. Financial goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, they should be SMART goals. Some examples of financial goals include saving for retirement, paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or creating an emergency fund. All of these goals are important in their own way and can help you achieve financial security. The key is to identify which goals are most important to you and to develop a plan to achieve them. With hard work and dedication, you can reach your financial goals and build a bright future for yourself. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, avoid debt if you can, especially credit card debt. Anyone who has ever been in debt knows that it is a difficult situation to be in. Not only do you have to worry about making your monthly payments, but you also have to pay interest on the money you borrowed. This can quickly add up, leaving you with less and less money each month. As a result, it is important to avoid debt if at all possible. This is especially true for credit card debt, which often has high interest rates. By staying out of debt, you can keep more of your hard-earned money each month and put it towards other financial goals. Financial literacy is all about making smart choices with your money, and avoiding debt is one of the smartest choices you can make. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.